people, welcome back. So, financial debt and operational debt. Is this clear now? Yes. So now what we will be doing, people will be going towards your how we initiate the application. Now, people, we got to know who is a FC. We got to know what is a operational creditor and a corporate debtor. Sir, what is a financial debt? What is a operational debt? We got to know this. Now, sir, if I'm a financial creditor, how shall I start the application? You say that I can file an application to NCLT. Fair enough. But how to start it? So, people, how? People, how? Sir, if at all a financial creditor has to file an application to NCLT, how many of them should file? The law says it can be filed or either singly or jointly. I alone. People, imagine Kingfisher, SBI or Kingfisher has taken money from ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank alone can go and file. Or people, ICICI Bank, SBI Bank, HDFC, everyone jointly can go and file. However, it is valid. Okay. People, but there is a note. Sir, what is this note? People, if the financial debt is in the form of securities, deposits, or any particular class of creditors or allottees. Sir, securities, imagine people, you have issued shares to the, you have issued debentures and you have raised money. Sir, you have issued deposit receipts and you have raised money. Deposits, people, section 73 to 76 of Companies Act. You have raised money using that. Sir, or your any class of creditors or people, your allottees, home buyers, then people, an application shall be filed by minimum number of people. How many people? Minimum 100 such creditors or allottees, or minimum 10% of such creditors in same class, or total number of allottees under same real estate project. Sir, now what do you mean by this? Imagine people, there was a real estate project. In case of debenture, you guys will easily understand. Imagine there were 500 debenture holders. It shall be filed by at least 100 debenture holders or 10% of the total debenture holders. That is 10%, 50, 100 or 50, whichever is less. Now imagine in case of real estate, this is the confusing point. Okay, imagine people, a construction company, will they start only one real estate project, people? Will they start only one real estate project? Now imagine people, this person has started one in Bangalore, one in, say for example, Mumbai. Sir, now this person became an insolvent. There are two projects going on. So people, if at all you want to initiate, the law says minimum applications should be filed by 10% of the same class of creditor or total number of allottees under same real estate project. So sir, from Mumbai people, from Bangalore, imagine there are housing construction of say for example 300 flats. So sir, 300 allottees were there. So people, 10% of them, that is 30 or 100, whichever is less. So minimum 30 of them should file an application. Is this clear, all of you? Pakka? Yes or no? Perfect. So this is financial creditors if they want to file an application. One is you can singly or jointly. Hey people, by the way, don't forget the minimum amount of default should be 1 crore. Don't forget that. If not, IBC itself is not applicable to you. Yes. So if ICICI Bank, imagine they have to recover 50 lakh. They cannot come under IBC at all. Default is less than 1 crore. No. Yes or no? You know what, that people, in 2016 when this act was introduced, that limit was 1 lakh. They further raised it to 1 crore directly. No intermediation, no, directly 1 crore. Okay. So sir, if financial creditor, that is how he will start. Okay. Sir, if a operational creditor wants to start a insolvency process, how will he start? So people, a operational creditor, before going to the authority, people, first the law says you try making your attempt. So first you send a demand notice. Demand notice is people like asking for the money with the corporate debtor. Hey, you should have paid me the money, but you have not yet paid. So people, the corporate debtors will have 10 days to reply. Now, corporate debtor can reply two things, people. One, he can say there is a dispute. Whatever the supply you have given, it is not proper, or there can be a dispute. That is the reason I have not made the payment. Yeah, the quality was not proper. That is the reason I have not made the payment. He can say that there is a dispute. Come, let us fight. So you'll go to court. Or people, he will reply saying that, hey, I have already paid. He will reply saying that, have not yet paid, right? Correct. Sorry, I missed it. I will pay it now. So people, he can pay the unpaid operational debt. Yes, people. Now people, if already paid, sir, I have paid, but still he is saying I have not paid. Now people, you will send a copy of record of electronic transfer, whatever NEFT or whatever Google Pay you have done, whatever you have done, you will show the record of that. And people, the copy of record that OC has encashed the check. Imagine people, the operational creditor had given him the check. He has encashed it. He has went to the bank and he has encashed it. In my accounts, there will be a debit entry. So I'll send a screenshot. I've sent it. So people, whenever an operational creditor says that you have to still pay me money, he will write a demand notice asking for the money with corporate debtor. Corporate debtor, within 10 days, he will reply saying that, wait, there is a dispute. Let us meet in the court. Or people, he can make the payment. Or if it is already paid, he will send a record of all the transaction which is already paid. Sir, if a corporate debtor, if he wants to file an application, how? People, he has to pass a special resolution. Or 3/4 of the partners agree. Why partners are LLP, people? If LLP wants to go into insolvency, then people, partners has to agree, no? So people, 3/4 of the partners agreeing for this. So sir, this is how a partnership or the LLP, LLP or the company on their own, they can apply for insolvency. So you need to pass a special resolution, or you need to pass 3/4 of the partner should agree for that particular dispute. Is this clear, people? All of you. So financial creditor, singly or jointly, 100 or 10%. Operational creditor, demand notice, 10 days he needs to reply. Corporate debtor, special notice, or special resolution, or 3/4 member of the members, the 3/4 of the partner should agree. Is this clear? All of you? Okay, sir. Sir, now, how we got to know? Now, let us go a little ahead. Sir, we know how to apply. Now, where to apply, what all to apply? Is it sufficient? Sir, let us start CIRP. We will call the NCLT, and we will call the NCLT and say, sir, this is a problem. Is it okay? So certain documents should be submitted, right? We'll look at the documents. Yes, people. Yes, people, concentrate. So, sir, now we saw 3 people. Sir, now how will they start this application? People, an application shall be filed by the financial creditor, operational creditor, or the corporate debtor. So, sir, along with their application, what are the documents they need to submit? People, application plus following documents. Application is common. You will apply with the NCLT. Sir, what are the documents they need to give? If you're a financial creditor, then you need to give the record of default, recorded with information utility. So people, the creditor, ICICI Bank will immediately inform information utility, sir, there is a default. Information utility people will collect, collate, authenticate the information, and there is a authenticated record. Sir, that record will be taken and that will be sent to NCLT. Yes, people, and you need to name a person whom you want to act as a resolution professional. So people, we saw one thing, what? Sir, adjudicating authority, that is a NCLT. It will pass the order accepting or rejecting your order. So people, when it accepts, it will appoint interim resolution professional. That person is nominated by us only. The financial creditor says, sir, please appoint this person as interim resolution professional. So people, NCLT will appoint that person. So that is the reason we saw there. Yes, people. So they will have to give. Financial creditors, they shall give one person. They will nominate one person as interim resolution professional. Okay. Sir, now application is filed by operational creditor. What are the documents he needs to give? First one, people. Copy of the invoice. What is the money you need to get? Copy of invoice or demand notice that you have sent now. 10 days. Affidavit that no notice is given by corporator. Sir, मैं जो भी कहूंगा वो सच के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं कहूंगा. People, what do you mean by that? Whatever I say is truth. I will not say anything apart from truth. Sir, we will believe that. People, that Bhagavad Gita, Quran, Bible, that Kala is gone, people. Now you everything swear on affidavit. Meaning, people, whatever is written wrong in this document, you can be held accountable on that. So you will be giving a written declaration that I have not received any money or notice from the corporate debtor. People, and certificate from financial institution of operation creditor, maintaining their accounts, confirming there is no receipt of payment. Now, people, what will operational creditor do? He will go to his bank and he will ask for the passbook entries. And people, say for example 1 month. In 1 month, I'll get the entry, people, from my bank saying that show me whether he has paid or not. I will be maintaining my account somewhere, no? So I'll ask for the record of it. The passbook, basically the passbook. Yes, so that there is no receipt of payment. Copy of record with information utility. Same thing, people. Once you do not get the money, we will file information utility. Sir, there is a default. Information utility will collect, authenticate. Sir, you will file this record here. Sir, they may propose a resolution professional. People, operational creditor, he does not have every right. We'll see, people. He is not treated same like a financial creditor. In this chapter, operational creditor has a little lesser weightage. Every weight is with operational creditor. Financial creditor only. What is that? We'll see. Sir, corporate debtor, people, when he himself is agreeing, sir, there is a default. Sir, then what will he say? People, he will give his books of accounts. Yes, and he'll say, sir, see, sir, I'm not able to pay, sir. Sir, proposal of resolution professional. Same thing, people, interim resolution professional. So whatever these people are giving, no, they will only be appointed as IRP. And further, in committee of creditors, they will only be appointed as resolution professionals. Clear? Copy of special resolution passed by the company. If it is LLP, people, then 3/4 of the partner's approval. So this will be filed with the NCLT, and from here, people, we will again go with the process. Yes, so this is how an application is made. Is this clear, people? All of you, just go through once and come to the next video.